Good morning. Combine blowed off. Tractor started. Combine started warming up. Gonna move this equipment over here to this next field and see what we got. Getting closer and closer to the finish line. We get this field knocked out. It will be right about 80% done. So we're gonna see what we can do here. It's gonna be interesting. Got a little bad turn in there, so can't really bring the truck back there. Could have brought the Bob truck. Side note, if anybody is a Bob truck C65 specialist, I will pay you good money to come get my Bob truck air leaks and stuff fixed. Had a guy come out, thought I guess he was gonna fix it. Took a dash out of it and never came back. So yeah. Anyway, if anybody can do that, just give me a holler and we'll go from there. I swear to you, I'll pay you. Because if that Bob truck worth its weight in gold for these tight current fields. So just let me know. Well, yep, like I said, moving over to the next field, Big Woods. Yeah, causing traffic jams. Boy, these model truck got somewhere to be, boy. They don't be playing around.
1-8.
All right, then. So we finally got over here and got set up, but starting off into it, these are Ashgrove 489s. I was super excited to get in this field. Like I said, I'll talk about it later, but hadn't had a crop on this field in 2 years. So I've said that in another YouTube video. As you get down further to the west end of this field, dry land field, non-irrigated, and they're doing pretty good. This is good, dark, heavy dirt, not sand. So, you know, I was excited to get in this field. Put a little bit of potash on this field. This field's been limed. And yeah, so super excited. And as you see, we can get here, the beans get heavier. And always on this end, on this west end of the field, you always pick up on your yields. I got to read. I think this area right here was actual natural stream bed for when there was timber on this land. So this is family land. Super, super excited again. You know, like I said, just to get into it and try to make a crop over here. Looking forward to see what a corn crop is. Everybody out here, and don't worry about that little island right there. I was trying to straighten myself out on my angle, but this old field whooped us, but we done whooped it this year. That's it. Come down, went back, and came back. I ain't got a hopper, so I ain't gonna say nothing. But we blessed this year, you know. I mean, I'm almost to the point. Didn't want to cry. This field was pretty good the last couple of years with the drought and gumbo. What I was talking about in that video. Anyway, this old field always been styled. Always. But they kind of green in places, as you can see probably. Right there, that's a little green, but she taking them. So yeah, we rolled. Well, let's drain the car. Unload. You know, this field in the 90s, it used to do pretty good. But even riding now, I've been anxious to see if it had all the right things and what it would do. Our next plan for this field is to get a well over here and see what we can do with it then. And you know, we get a well, I guarantee you this field will cut 70, 80 bushels of soybeans easily. But yeah. calling for today. Yep. Cause Spain, this your house. So see that little spot over there that ain't planted? Don't ever take a tractor over it. I'm gonna post a picture of what happened. Ah, yes, it was 2020. And so my thought process was the things that they farmed with back then, two-wheel drive tractors. I got this front wheel assist. It's a 4960. Everybody know 4960s is America's tractor. So, anyway, I was like, man, I'm going to step off in this and see if I can get it. Plus, I thought, man, it can't be all hyped up like they say it is, man. They just had two-wheel drive tractors. Yeah, I learned my lesson. A little bean cab bean. What I guess you call it. I'm trying to cut them edge, so I'm going to make it loose. Yes, sir. Yes. Well, right here, steadily. The rain's coming in tomorrow, and I'm rolling pretty good. But one thing I want to add is that being all these green stem soybeans and then all the rest of the stuff that comes along with it. I don't know if you guys know what it means to choke up a combiner, but we rebuilt the chopper on it, and I just think that if we hadn't done that last year, it was about a $3,000 job for the new blades and bushings and all of that. We would have been digging this combine out, and that's a horrible experience to try to unchoke the combine. So if you ever want to try it, I don't recommend it, but yeah, that's all I got on this.
load them up, one truck down, and hey, hopefully one or two more to go. Boy, thrash. I gotta give it to them, man. They getting it come by here. We're getting the money's worth out of it. I tell you that.